Hi, I'm Margaret Lynn, and today I can't wait to share with you how easy it is to make delicious and nutritious salads in a jar. If your days are packed to the max with work, family, school, and just life, these salads make it easy and convenient at mealtime. You're going to be consistently choosing those healthier meal options when otherwise you might make a not so healthy choice. We're going to talk about dressings. We're going to prepare our dressings, and we're going to start to build our salads. We're going to have fun class projects. We're also going to share our finished salads in a jar. I'm going to teach you how to make your own recipes, how to properly build the salads, where to place the ingredients, and how to include those foods that you enjoy the most. These salads are beautiful to look at, are packed with nutrients, and you're going to be excited to eat them every single day. So come on, and let's go make one simple change towards your health with these salads in a jar. Hey everyone, I am so excited you decided to take this one simple change to really better your health with these salads in a jar. You are going to love them. So here is what to expect from this class. I'm going to talk a little bit about prep work, prepping your ingredients and your jars. We're going to discuss our salad dressing options. We're going to go over thoroughly all of the ingredients in each of the recipes. We're going to go over all of the ingredients for our salad dressings. And then we're going to step-by-step assemble each of our 3 salads. We're going to be making a taco salad, a Greek salad, and our Asian salad. I'm going to thoroughly go over the projects so you know exactly what to post. So let's get started with our prep work. All right, so let's briefly talk about prep work. First, you're going to want to make sure all of your ingredients are thoroughly washed. Let's talk about your jars. Make sure you really wash all of your jars. You can either hand wash them or put them in the dishwasher. You want to buy the big jars, about a quart. This is about 24 ounces or 3 cups. Also, make sure it has a wide mouth. Some of the mason jars have a narrow mouth, and if you get those, it's going to be pretty hard to get all of your ingredients inside. So make sure you choose the ones that have the nice wide mouth. Easy to get your hand through there. Make sure your jar lids are 2 pieces. That's going to allow for a much better closure and keep your salads fresh longer. All right, I want to talk a little bit about salad dressings. I'm going to show you my simple salad dressing that I like to make and use for all of my salads. It's a very versatile salad dressing. It only requires 4 ingredients. If you would rather buy a salad dressing, just make sure you turn the jar around and read the ingredients label. If you can, make sure that your salad dressing only has a few ingredients in there. If it's a really long list of ingredients, try to stay away from that. But if it's a nice short ingredient list, you can pronounce the majority of the things on that list, then you're good to go. So let's go look at the ingredients for the vinaigrette that I make for my salads. So we're going to have about 1 cup of olive oil, about 1/2 cup of our apple cider vinegar, about 2 teaspoons of mustard, and about a tablespoon of honey. The easiest way to make this is to put it in a mason jar, put the lid on, make sure it's super tight, and shake it as hard as you can for about 20 seconds. And we have a delicious mustard vinaigrette. We're first going to start with our taco salad. This is one of my favorite salads. It's got the sweetness from the corn and the tomatoes, and it also has a little bite with our cheddar cheese. Here are all of the ingredients that you need for the taco salad. We have our beautiful grape tomatoes. I have cut these just in half. We have our sweet corn. I actually buy mine frozen. You can purchase it on the cob and cook it and slice it right off the cob if you'd prefer. We have our red bell peppers. I have these chopped. our black beans, our cheddar cheese. We have our sweet onions, I've chopped these, and our lettuce. This is a green leaf lettuce. You can use field greens, romaine, whichever type of lettuce you'd like. Now that we've talked about all of our ingredients, it's time to start assembling our salad jars. So let's start to build our taco salad. You always want to start with your dressing first. When you put your dressing on the bottom of the jar, that's going to keep that moisture away from all of your other ingredients. So I'm going to start with a couple tablespoons of our dressing. If you like more dressing, feel free to add as much as you'd like. Our first ingredient we're going to add is our black beans. I do about 1/4 cup, but again, feel free to add as much as you'd like. Our next ingredient is going to be our onions. I do maybe a tablespoon of these. We'll add our sweet corn. I'll do about 1/4 cup. We have our grape tomatoes, our red bell pepper, and right on top we're going to add our shredded cheddar cheese, maybe a tablespoon, and then we're just going to stuff it with our greens. And the last thing, we're going to put our lid on the jar, make sure it's nice and tight so no air gets in to spoil our salad. And there you have it, our beautiful taco salad in a jar. All right, let's talk about our ingredients for our Greek salad. This is another great salad, full of flavor and nutrients. From the big flavor from our chickpeas and our salty Kalamata olives and feta cheese, this salad will be one of your favorites too. Let's take a look at our ingredients for the Greek salad. We have our grape tomatoes. These have been just sliced right in half. We have our delicious cucumber. We have our red bell peppers. I've chopped these. My favorite are garbanzo beans or chickpeas. They're the same thing. We have feta cheese. We have our Kalamata olives. These have been pitted and I went ahead and chopped them. We have our sweet onions chopped. And we have our greens. I use a green leaf lettuce. Feel free to use romaine, field greens, whichever type of lettuce you prefer. All right, it's time to assemble our Greek salad. So again, we're going to start with our dressing. I'm using this simple vinaigrette for all of our salads today. Feel free to use whichever type of dressing you'd like and as much as you'd like. We're first going to start with our Kalamata olives. I'm going to use maybe about a tablespoon. We're going to have our chopped onion, about a tablespoon or so. We're then going to put in our red bell pepper. I like to use about 1/4 cup of our bell pepper. Next, we'll have this beautiful cucumber. I actually will use about 1/2 cup, so I'm going to do 2 scoops of this. We'll layer in our tomatoes. Next, you'll want to put in your feta cheese. Next, we'll put in our garbanzo beans, about 1/4 cup. And of course, last is always your lettuce. You want to keep the lettuce at the top of the jar, as far away from the dressing as possible. We will put our lid on top of our salad, make sure it's nice and tight, and there is your beautiful Greek salad. All right, let's talk about our ingredients for our Asian salad. This salad takes the sweetness from our mango, the crunchiness from our carrots and cabbage, and blends it all together with other ingredients to make it a delicious Asian-inspired salad. You're gonna love this salad. So let's go talk about our ingredients for our Asian salad. We have our shredded cabbage, we have our diced cucumbers, we have our red bell peppers chopped, our shredded carrots, we have our mango, we have our edamame, and then we have our greens. This is a green leaf lettuce. You can use field greens or romaine, or you can eliminate it all together and use extra cabbage. Let's go assemble our Asian salad. We're gonna start with our dressing. First, we're gonna add in our cabbage. Next, we're gonna add in our shredded carrots. We're gonna put in our red bell pepper. Next, we have our cucumber. We're gonna add in our mango, edamame. I'm gonna add a little bit of our greens right on top. We're gonna put our top on the salad, make sure it's nice and tight. And there you go. Our wonderful Asian salad. So now it's time to make your own salad in a jar recipes. Here is the best way to assemble your salads. You want to start with your salad dressing and wet ingredients on the bottom of the jar. Next, you want to put your moisture-resistant veggies, such as beans, cabbage, sprouts. Next, you want to layer on any other veggies you have, such as cucumbers, carrots, tomatoes. If you are adding a protein, you will want to add it next. And last, you want to put your greens, your grains, or anything crunchy, such as cashews or seeds. By using this simple structure, you can build any type of salad with any type of ingredients. I can't wait to see what recipes you come up with. So let's talk about our projects. Once you have finished assembling all of your salads, take a quick picture and post it in our project section. Let everybody see your beautiful salads in a jar. As another project, I want you to try to create your own recipe based on your tastes and what you enjoy eating the most. Take this structure that I've shown you on how to build your salads and create your own recipes based on your favorite ingredients. Take a picture, post it in the projects, and share your recipe. I hope you enjoy making these salads in a jar. So as you can see, these salads are so super simple to build. With just a little bit of prep work, you can have a whole week of salads ready to go. We have beautiful salads that are delicious and nutritious. We're gonna flood our bodies with those nutrients every single day. I think meal prepping is so important to maintain a healthy lifestyle. If you set yourself up with healthy meal choices, you will be able to maintain that healthy lifestyle every single day. Feel free to explore with all sorts of different ingredients. Use your tastes to inspire your own salads in a jar. And be sure to post your recipes in the projects area. Thank you so much for joining me in this class today. I hope you enjoy building these salads just as much as I do.